vlogged in a very, very long time, and I keep trying to start vlogs and it's just not hitting today. It's really not. Just like this giant black Jeep that decided to park in my spot today. Disrespectful. You have class or you're in high school or whatever, and you have like, everyone knows like that's your seat. It's kind of like, that's my spot. Whatever. It's fine. I guess I have to catch you guys up on a few things. Not really much though. I am 19 weeks pregnant now, and hopefully this doesn't take me 3 weeks to edit and upload because I've been really sucking with everything lately. Oh my gosh, I just noticed that. I have a little circle on the bottom of my cup. Does that mean this has lead in it? Probably. It's like the Stanley cups. Oh my God. Might be switching doctors, but we'll get into that in another video. I'm just not. Maybe it's my mother's intuition. Maybe it's me, maybe it's my pregnancy hormones. I would like to think it's just my intuition. I am really not happy right now with that, so we're gonna change it. Is it wrong that I'm still bothered because this person parked in my spot? Someone that likes routine and does not like change, it's fine. It's just for a day, Samantha, and hopefully they learn their lesson after this. Happy Monday. Tomorrow we're supposed to get a snow day. Well, we're supposed to have a winter storm that's gonna bring 6 to 10 inches statewide now, maybe more, of snow, so that'll be good. Snow day tomorrow, yay. I'm gonna make chili. I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna make some Valentine treats. I'm wearing my new Valentine sweatshirt I got from Target with the sweet tarts all over it. Maybe it's a little, I don't know if you consider it inappropriate or not. I don't know. I'm just very weary of that because you never know what's appropriate, what's not appropriate anymore. But I'm pregnant. That's my excuse. You best believe I'm gonna keep that excuse. But I'm also very tired. Feel like I'm getting sick again, but I don't think I'm getting sick. I think I just have a sore throat because I'm a mouth breather when I sleep. And yeah, I know that's not good for me, but it is what it is. Baby boy's good. Baby boy's growing. He's measuring on the small side right now, so we're hoping that grows more. And if not, I might have to start going to the doctor weekly. So that's fun. So fun for me. Don't like that. Don't like that. We've been getting the other room cleaned out and ready for him. Got a lot of stuff for him already. Planning the baby shower. Actually, the baby shower is pretty much planned. We just need to execute the plan, my mom and I. And I originally was going to do like a huge thing, like rent a hall and invite like 1 million people. And then I was like, the baby shower, let me chill out. Let me chill. And my mom kind of put it into perspective for me because she's like, you shouldn't be spending like $5 grand on a baby shower. And this is what it's looking like right now. So yeah, she had a point. So we're not doing that. Oh, I also cleaned out all my cups in my cabinet. So I have a get rid of pile and a storage pile currently. I feel bad for our storage unit. We have so much crap in there like right now, and guaranteed half of it's going to end up I'm just going to get rid of because I don't use half of it anyway. But right now I'm like, let's just throw it in storage. Because I don't have the mental capacity to deal with it right now. So we're also back drinking coffee. I'm trying to finish up the white chocolate raspberry creamers I have in my fridge, even though they make my coffee taste like medicine. We also have a plan. I've been very off with planning Valentine's Day this year because I have just been, pregnant and worrying about other things that I haven't really thought about. Not that I haven't thought about my husband. That sounds so bad. But I haven't thought about, like, usually we go out really big for each other, and this year we're just like not, which is fine. I don't care. Today after work, it's going to be crazy busy. I have to go to the store and start putting together something for him, and maybe I'll get gas. I don't know. I have half a tank, so I think I'll be all right. When I get home, I have to put my cover. I bought like a windshield cover. It covers my mirrors and my windshield and part of my hood. And it just makes life a lot easier when there's a big snowstorm. So I am going to put that on my car when I get home. And then I haven't vlogged in a while since that last clip. But anyways, hi, it's Monday. I'm off Monday, Tuesday for President's Day. Little mini February break. They call it break. It's not a break. It's like a 2-day little I stopped at Venus, got a tea. Sour Patch watermelons, like my new obsession. And my back is on fire. We went grocery shopping with my mom and I got a lot of stuff. So let's get into this. Part of it is because I was hungry. And a pregnant woman being hungry is not good. Box of cereal. Something on the news was like something going on with General Mills cereal. I don't know. So I just got the Walmart version of Honey Nut Cheerios because in my brain I really want those. So we got those. And then I saw these little dearies, which I just ate like 2 of these, so I'm gonna take a break for a while. But I got these Cinnamon Toast Crunch and Reese's Puff treats. Not bad. Again, not the best for you, but honestly, I was hungry. No excuse besides that. They are very good. It's just very sugary. It's something I normally wouldn't eat if I wasn't pregnant, but I saw these cute PJs. I've actually seen these all over TikTok, and I wasn't gonna buy any more PJs and clothes and stuff because I was just like, oh my gosh, I have so much and I'm still in the process of cleaning. I figured I would spoil myself, and I got myself this little set with shorts. Very cute. I think I'll probably just wear it with pants for now though, since I'm cold all the time. That's the thing. And I got this cute little chicken for my son because I keep calling him a chicken, and I call my mom's dog a chicken. Her name is Chicken, even though her name is actually Callie. Chicken. And it was very cute, so I had to get it in the Easter section. That was just something random. I don't know why I got one bag. I don't know why I got one. Starbucks Spring Day blend. I like getting the different blends for the seasons. Got some chicken patties. We could have a chicken patty night. Something easy and still not too bad. Tortellinis, haven't had these in a long time. Box of cereal, Special K. I've been eyeing these for a while, and I was like, you know what? Let's just get it. The thing about cereal being pregnant is true. I got 2 things of vitamin D. Got this value size one for David, my husband, because he also takes vitamin D, but he hasn't had it in a long time. So I was like, you know what? We're getting him the giant one. So, and I didn't even know he was out until I was like, oh, where are your gummies? Oh, I ran out like 2 weeks ago. Men, am I right? Got myself another vitamin D, 0 sugar. Tastes like there's sugar in it, whatever. Whole pack of gum, because I've been really chewing a lot of gum lately. The Orbit white, oh, sweet mint, not white mint. Well, I was gonna say white mint. Snack thing, I got these Quest cookies. These again are not the best, but there's only 3 more carbs than protein. Yeah, I'm still trying to find a balance with eating. Being pregnant, it's been very difficult. I got some Taco Bell queso, because I love this queso with chips, and we already have chips, so that worked. I got 2 cans of pinto beans because I like to stock up on stuff for chili. And then this was the last one in the aisle. I got another Hello Kitty Pyrex bowl because I really have come to love Pyrex bowls for leftovers, for taking them to work. That was a lucky find. I had to clear this off because that was just going to be very overwhelming for me. Okay, moving on. I'm going to put this on the counter. Disgusting, maybe. Don't care. Oh, they're disgusting. Oh my God. They have the red stuff coming on them. If you know, you know. Anyways, I got those because I wanted to make some chicken Caesar wraps with deli chicken, and then realizing after that I can't have deli meat unless it's warmed up. So we're just gonna count that out as an option right now. David stopped on the way home and get some chicken to put in the wraps, like some Purdue chicken. Yeah. That's already made. You just heat it up. Kind of mad now. Yeah, that's why I got another thing of this. So maybe I'll end up making sliders again, which is heated up so I can eat it. It's fine. Things of cheese, mild cheddar. I usually like the medium, but they didn't have it, so we get what we get. We got some shredded cheese, some Mexican, some Italian style. 2 more of these. I usually buy the orange chicken, but they have sweet and sour right now, so I got 2 more of these because my husband really likes this. It's the sauce that comes with this more than the orange chicken, because that one's kind of spicy, and he just doesn't really like that. For me, I got a tenderloin. This is a lemon garlic one. We haven't had this in a long time, so that'll be a good crock pot meal. Maybe I'll make that tonight, I don't know. And then what also makes a good crock pot meal is these Tyson pork roasts. Again, if you have an Aldi's, these are so easy. I mean, you honestly could probably do this with like any other roast, whatever, but it just comes with the roast. It comes with veggies, the seasoning packet, has directions. Highly recommend. It's a very quick, nice, easy Sunday dinner meal, at least for me. Another thing of bananas. I know they're green. I'm gonna eat them when they turn. I've been obsessed with bananas lately. It's been like my go-to breakfast is a banana. Sometimes yogurt with it. We got a couple bags of frozen broccoli. Can never find it at Target, so yeah. I should just be buying it from Aldi's anyway. I got a couple bags of corn. As usual, if you watch my grocery hauls, you know this is a staple for me. Cream cheese, because I always need it for something I'm making. Not really baking, just making. Some kind of dinner. Wraps, again, for the wraps, and then, yeah, I don't know. I could still have wraps, but little tiny mini bag of potatoes. It has like purple ones and white ones in there. Very cute. I want to maybe put these in when I make a roast, just add more potatoes to it, because it comes with like an amount of vegetables, but not enough. So I also bought like some baby carrots too. So that might be what we have this upcoming week, if not next week. Okay, last bag. Hazelnut creamer for my husband. just in case he runs out of his right now. I don't know if he is, but I got it anyways because it was there. Prime has a new drink. I haven't had Prime in a long time. I want to start drinking them again because I have a ton of them. They're probably gonna expire, so I need to drink them. I got cherry freeze. I guess this is the new flavor, so we got a couple of those to try. People have their opinions on these, whatever. I love using this when I cook. This is just a butter flavoring spray. It's like the olive oil spray, but when I'm making eggs or making like pancakes or something, I don't want to spray olive oil in the pan, and sometimes I'm just lazy with just putting butter in there. Okay, I'll admit it. And of course, another craving of mine has been these nacho Lunchables, so I'm definitely going to be eating one after this video. For beans, I got a couple cans of black beans, again stocking up for chili and for taco stuff, and then I got a couple cans of chili beans. Holy crap, this is a lot of groceries, but yeah, that's all I got. That's all I got. That was my grocery haul. Mostly stocking up on a lot of stuff, and a lot of stuff we just had expire, and yeah, it was just not good. So we are gonna be better. We're gonna eat better. We're gonna do better, even though my cravings are for burgers and pizza. So I'll see you guys a little later. I'm gonna put this away and relax as my back again is on fire. Yeah. Just watched me clean my makeup brushes. In conclusion, I didn't really have that many to wash. Something in me was like, oh, you should just clean them anyway. I did take my makeup off earlier. I did not film anything today. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I was pretty wiped out after grocery shopping, so I laid down for a long time and ended up taking a nap this afternoon and watching Disney movies. Still going to watch some Disney movies, scrolling on TikTok, the whole 9 yards. I do have beauty blenders I need to wash, but that might end up being a tomorrow activity because my mom and I tomorrow are gonna go to Target. We were gonna go today, but now that I'm like 5 months pregnant, I'm exhausted and my back hurts a lot. So we're gonna do closing shift. I'll hopefully make dinner in like an hour, half hour, something like that. Probably mostly gonna be for my husband though, because I am beat right now. And apparently this is normal. This is a normal part of pregnancy where you get fatigued at 20 weeks. So I don't know, we're just gonna take it as it comes. And then we have a bunny girl. Hi, bun. Ever since I got pregnant, she's been obsessed with sleeping on my Hello Kitty squish, which I don't care because I sleep on these during the day. I lay on them. So we're just gonna hang out. Right, little bun? We're gonna hang out. She's a little loaf. I am being suggested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 movies that I've seen that I like. I do not like Ratatouille. I do not like Cars. I don't get why that's a franchise. Let me be honest with you. And then there's The Good Dinosaur, which I've seen and it has made me cry. So we're not going to watch that. I love Elemental, Incredibles, Brave, Up, and Bug's Life. I don't know. Maybe go with Brave, even though it's going to make me cry because it's about a mother-daughter relationship and stuff. And I was a goopy stomach, or maybe it was mine. I don't know. Is that your tummy, bunny? Or is that mine? But anyways, about, obviously if you've seen, it's about like a mother-daughter relationship and like building that bond and having that bond. And that reminds me of me and my mom. I think I was a daddy's girl for a little bit when my stepdad was, you know, alive. And then, but I've always deep down been a mommy's girl. But I think that's due to just not having, you know, a consistent father figure in our lives. Besides, obviously, my grandpa and my stepdad and my uncle. But, like, yeah, that's another story for another day. We're not going to go there. I've made peace with a lot of things that have happened to me in regards to, like, my dad, my biological dad. Now I'm going to cry. See, like, the movie's starting. I'm already going to cry. For the most part, to really say it is what it is, it is what it is. Can't really do anything to change it. Okay, I'm going to stop because I'm going to start crying over nothing. Over the beginning of the movie. Because the music was going to make me cry. It's so bad. This is dinner tonight, whether anyone likes it or not. I'm also kind of low-key now craving these, so shout out to my mom because she got me hooked on them years ago, and for so many years I was like, ew, those are disgusting, why would you eat them? And now I get it. I totally get it. These are the only ones that I really like. I've tried other brands, but no, Borla is hands down it. While that's going, put these dishes away and put some dishes in the dishwasher. So let's do that. One day there will be a day where my kitchen table is completely cleared off. It's a very rare occasion, but someday it will happen. So out of breath. It is literally the most annoying thing ever. For a good cause though, obviously. And we're done for now.